flight?
Yep.
Lufthansa 1 Kilo Echo Tower 126.255.
Vamos. Request taxi.
Taxi initially Sierra Zulu hold D4 intersection Alpha Bravo.
Alpha Bravo. Sierra Zulu initially and Alpha Bravo intersection 5.
Alpha Bravo?
Intersection
Yeah, I'm
Alpha
checking.
Bravo.
Alpha Bravo. What is Alpha Bravo? I don't know. I understood Sierra Zulu.
Oh, the intersection of Alpha and Bravo. Got it. So at Zulu 6.
Hold short Bravo. Intersection Alpha Bravo. Come on.
Left clear.
Now unrestricted Sierra Zulu Alpha holding point runway 25.
Sierra Zulu Alpha holding point 0. Sierra running 25.
Okay, left clear.
Clear left. Clear right.
Wizard 165 Krakow Grand double start and pushback approved weather traffic.
Right, my brakes are checked. Check your brakes.
My brakes. Takeoff brief. So again, straight ahead, climbing 23, acceleration 6000. Otherwise we go via SED and straight ahead for a few miles and then climbing above 2800 and slight turn right and then left and climbing up, heading up Valley.
And if you agree, I'll ask for that heading after departure. Straight.
We can go just straight ahead for these few miles and then turn. But it's turning to the right, see?
Yeah, but I think the weather is before.
Yeah, let's see.
I don't want to, get close unnecessarily.
Yeah, of course. But see, let's see what is happening when we took off. I mean, because maybe it's just turning by itself.
Right, takeoff check is above the line.
Okay, now of course, sir.
Yep.
Sorry.
Cabin,
yes,
ignition.
so
I don't think we need it. Transponder.
to push.
Correct, so we're clear to cross the start on sun.
That is approved, that's
With the
perfect.
radar.
Sorry.
No problem.
Yeah, with the radar on. Go. And flight director elected. So cabin, ignition, transponder with the radar. Out of thrust and flight director checked. Block off.
I'll definitely ask for a right turn right away.
Just so that let's see.
There's Nucleate 1014, monitor tower 123255, traffic on final.
1014 and monitor 123255. Copy the traffic.
5 Whiskey Delta wind
1014
runway 25, clear to land.
So she said monitor, but please tell him that he can already coordinate with the radar to be on the right and departure.
Tower.
Krakow Tower, hello, behind land traffic on short final, line up runway 25, wait behind.
Behind landing traffic inside line up runway 25 behind. Please coordinate for a right turn just after takeoff for a heading of 300 degrees initially, please.
For confirmation, heading 300, yes?
Yeah, fair. Happy.
Roger, line up runway 25 and wait.
Line up 25 and wait.
And if you need more, we'll
Yeah,
ask.
of course.
Okay, takeoff check. Below limit.
Wing current, yes. Off. Windshield, prop zone, anti-collision. Then CAS.
Takeoff
5
Okay,
with
okay.
clear down for approach
Okay.
ground 118.105, thank you.
Then we're heading. Checks only one. Takeoff clearance to go. Complete.
Correct clearance. After departure, turn right heading 300, stop climb 6,000 feet altitude.
After departure, right heading 300, stop climb 6,000 feet. Thank you.
So you will ask for heading, right?
So it will be heading and flight level change, okay?
Yep.
Yeah, also, you know what? We don't go straight ahead in case of emergency because we go just straight in. So we turn anyway.
We'll
right?
do the same heading.
Exactly. So head and flight level change in any case, okay? Happy?
It's a nice runway. Yeah, it's a Christmas.
One airport contact approach 121.075, wind 360 degrees, 4 knots, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
121.075 after airport. Clear for takeoff to But, you know, sorry, what I could say, would it be better to go left at this point?
Okay, let's go right.
Yeah.
You can see.
Yeah,
it's
see.
fine.
Ready?
Ready? Take up clearance obtained, right?
Yep. Set trust.
Take up trust.
Prawdopodobnie Ryder to Fix November X-ray, tu jest także Ryder 025,
80.
Check.
Ryder to Fix November X-ray, Krakow Tower, witam ponownie, continue approach number 1.
B1. Rotate. Positive right.
Gear up. Stand by for the heading. Okay, so the heading.
Heading.
Level change.
Level change.
70.
Speed 170. Gear up. Krakow approach, good day. After departure, runway 25, turning right, heading 300 degrees, passing 2,900, climbing 6,000 feet.
Down approach, Ryder contact, continue heading, climb level 240, no restrictions.
No restrictions on heading 300 degrees, climb flight level 240.
Autopilot.
Load for Papa Yankee, when ready, report requested level. Focus request flight level 230 for Papa Yankee. Sure, bye.
Okay, flight 0. Takeoff checks. No, sorry, stand by. Set standard. Passing.
Load for Papa Yankee, climb level 230.
Stand and check.
Flight level 230 for Papa Yankee.
Are we climbing over them?
Load for Papa Yankee, direct lockdown. Lockdown for Papa Yankee.
Sorry, after takeoff check, turning lever up, flap 0, trust versus off. Trust, set, speeds transferred, gas, APR arm, pressurization checked. After takeoff check, complete airship.
Sternetir, kilo 566, confirm free rate of descent, runway 700 X-ray.
Runner 700 X-ray, 800, full rate of descent, descent level 130.
Transfer 130 with free rate, runway 700 X-ray.
For how long do you expect this heading?
We can give him west, right?
Check. Stand by. We can go inside. Or leave. Not it.
Able direct
No, there's no speed then.
direct gives it.
Yes.
Exact.
Thank you.
But now we're over the plane. But imagine you're flying on the city and then you have to negotiate initiate and then they say no.
This is
Radio 6 or Papaya.
You are super duper with the flights. I'm a clear sky guy.
What designs?
Just a bit, just passing this one. See the trend of the vector is coming.
So on pressurization is short, open dress.
Standard set. First check.
Set pressure is